Okay, I guess welcome to Poor Man Survival. I'm gonna show you how to make those fire starters that you buy at like Wally World or Walmart or Kmart or wherever you guys buy your your gimmick survival stuff. Pretty much, I'm gonna show you how to make this into one of those Zippo fire starters. Basically, you just grab this bad boy here. You get one of these 99-cent store cotton swabs, and you just roll it up like so, and then you just wrap it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cross it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fill it, squish it down to condense it, start your next one. It's a pretty simple process. It's like if you're a bushcrafter or something like that, this is great for fire starting. And you don't got to spend 10 bucks on it. I literally spent 99 cents on 80 cotton swabs, 99 cents on the candle I'm going to use. The string was $1 and the skewers were $1. So we can make, I don't know, 80 of them for, $1, $2, $3, $4. Opposed to getting 3 and a sparker for like 10 bucks. So let's get her done. And you just squish it down, you know what I mean? And you just move on to the next one. Just repeat the process. Grab your string. 1, oh dear, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull. And if you want them to look like those Zippo ones, what you could do is you could just flare them out. Doesn't that look familiar to you? Right there. So I already did a couple. So now we're going to move on to getting our wax that I already preheated. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, what I got here is the melted wax. And then I got the tray. I'm going to place it in the tray so I don't ruin my kitchen table and piss my girl off. And then these candles are great too because they're the right size to just dip them down. You know what I'm saying? Let them kind of just soak, flip them over, dip the other two down, pull them out, strap them in, dip them down, and space them out a little bit. Let them get real waxy. Pull out. Oh, I won't do it quite so good. Get it. Yeah, hold on. Kind of want to do a quick dip because you don't want to completely soak them in wax. I'm experimenting with this one. This is about 3 of them. Hold on. And then I just tried using just regular cotton balls. I want to see how those work out. That one. Snap. And there we go. we'll let these sit for a while, and then we'll see how they go. And the way I boiled the water, I just set the candle. I'll show you with this one. Into a pot of boiling water. Just let it sit there for about 20 minutes until it all turns into wax. So we'll see how these things burn. We'll just save that for a later date, and then we'll use this candle, but we don't want to waste this candle wax, so we'll just make some regular ones. Throw those down. Dip them. We'll just throw them in there. They're already starting to harden up. This is just an experiment. It's the first time I'm doing these ones. Alright, I guess I'll just wash my hands off and we'll come back to that. Okay guys, through the magic of television, I was able to clean these off of my refrigerator because, you know, it's late tonight and I gotta go to bed and go to work tomorrow. So basically, what I like to keep them in is an Altoids box. So basically what I do is I pull one off, right, you just kind of work the tip, work the tip. Anyways, and you kind of just expose their fibers. You know what I mean? Make a mess. Both sides. Kind of just peel down with your nail to expose the cotton. And what does that look like to you? One of those, exactly like one of those Zippo fire starters. And just throw in the box and then move on to the next one. Break it up right there. So when you're ready to go out bushcrafting or hiking, they're ready in your little fire kit. And you can use them to just start stuff right up. There you go, it's number 2. Slides right off the skewer. There we go. really on there. This was that one where I used 3 of those pads to try to make a jumbo one. Cotton. Yeah, that bad boy. It's pretty big. Takes up a lot of space in there. Well, that's the tender kit there you got there. So let's go outside and try these out. Oh, and then here's the other ones, the little discs. What I like to do is I like to just break them. Just, you know what I mean? Kind of just work them a little bit. And it just, you know, brings out the fibers. You know what I mean? So we'll go ahead and work those bad boys out. I also like to keep a few of these in there. These burn good too. Like you noticed, if you didn't make the other ones because they're kind of time consuming, you can just make the pads and they stack up pretty well in there if you stack a bunch of them in there. So let's go try this out. Okay guys, I don't want to burn down my house, so we're just going to let them in this bad boy. This is just an El Cheapo 99-cent store lighter. I went ahead and I broke it and let all the fluid out, you know, just to show you how this works. So it's like the, you know, the Zippo fire starter comes with just the striker. So what we do is, let's try this one. Remember how we worked the fiber and stuff like that? So let's see if we can get this to light. Oh dear. Let's work the fiber out a little bit. Oh, it's a little stuck on my finger. Try to pull. There we go. There you go. And this will burn about 7 minutes. So we'll just throw that one there into the fire pit, I guess. And then we'll try another one. We'll try this one with a fire steel. Basically, we'll spread it out. You know what I mean? Spread out the fibers. You know, you can break these up even more, like hardcore, but they'll burn a little faster. Let's blow this one out. Here. Smash this down so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let's even get this baby lit. It's just my $10 Moore knife. I didn't grind down the top, so it's not going to strike like that. Or we'll just use the blade. I know people are going to bitch, oh, you're using the blade, but I haven't grinded it down yet. Had it with it. There we go. And it's lit. Congratulations. We just saved a whole bunch of money. Hope you enjoyed. And thank you for watching Poor Man's Survival. God bless America.